Today we're starting lesson 2. We will be starting on page 27. So this is asking about scientific explanations. So you're going to read the question. You're going to choose which one do you think involves providing a scientific explanation. And then you're going to explain your thinking, describing how explanations are used in science. Then in class, we watched this video, so we'll watch this rather quickly here.
If you want to climb the grand staircase, you won't find it in a fancy hotel. Instead, you would need to go to Arizona and Utah and visit 3 national parks. That's because the grand staircase is a sequence of sedimentary rocks that make up the longest exposed geologic section on Earth. At Grand Canyon National Park in Arizona, if you start at the bottom and climb, you will reach the Kaibab limestone at the top of the canyon. In Zion National Park in Utah, the Kaibab limestone is the lowest exposed layer of rock. If you climb to the top of Zion, you will reach the Navajo sandstone. In Bryce Canyon National Park in Utah, the Navajo sandstone is the lowest exposed layer. If you climb to the top of Bryce Canyon, you'll actually be standing on top of all of the layers that you've climbed at each park.
Okay, so as we look through this video and we go to page 29, you'll see that we know that the layer that rims the top of the Grand Canyon in Arizona is also found more than 100 kilometers away at the bottom of Zion National Park. So if we look at that, we'll back this up to the map. So there's about 100 kilometers between these two, which means it's about 50 to 60 miles. And then from Zion to Bryce is probably about 25 miles. So it's asking here, decide how geologists might know these layers, which are far apart from each other, formed at the same time. And how would this information help in building a timeline of Earth's history? So you're going to record your ideas here about how that works. Then finally, this has been assigned on McGraw-Hill. Explain the phenomenon. And it says, are you trying to get some ideas about the clues scientists use to connect rock layers that are far apart? How might this help build a record of Earth's past? You're going to use your observations about the phenomena to make a claim about how geologists build a record of Earth's geologic history. Now, this is under CER on McGraw-Hill. And just for today, you're going to put your claim in here about how geologists build a record of Earth's geologic history. This will be online. I will not be grading this in the book. So that is all for today. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.